hey guys, this is Sajid. This is three cars. These cars are purchased from offline store. If you want to buy this and if you don't get from offline store, so you can check the link in the description box. I have given three cards link in the description box. So go and check it out now. And we have made a film for you. The film name is Race to the Infinity Road. If you don't watch now, come on the screen and go to description box and tap on the Race to the Infinity Road and watch the film. If you love the film, please like, subscribe, share and tell them and goodbye always. Thanks for watching.